In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to get quick, helpful answers directly within your Notion workspace. Whether you're studying, organizing your notes, or just trying to break down complicated topics, these steps will show you exactly how to ask Notion AI for assistance and make the most out of this powerful tool on your computer. First, begin by opening Notion on your computer. You'll want to navigate to Notion, so through your preferred web browser or use the desktop app if you have it installed. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your Notion credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Notion workspace. Now head over to the specific page where you need help. This could be a notes page, a study guide, or anywhere you're storing information. Take a moment to locate the exact spot on the page where you'd like to add new content or get assistance. It's helpful to plan ahead so you know where your AI-generated response will appear among your notes or resources. Once you've chosen the right page and location, click on a blank line. You can click anywhere that shows a line or space where you can start typing. After placing your cursor, simply press the spacebar on your keyboard. This step activates the Notion AI prompt box. Sometimes it might seem like a small step, but it makes all the difference in letting Notion know you're ready for AI-powered assistance. Next, go ahead and type in your student prompt. This can be anything you need help with. For example, you might ask, "Explain this topic in simple terms," or "Summarize the main points from this section." You can adjust your question to fit what you need in the moment. Just make sure it's clear and to the point. When you're satisfied with your prompt, press Enter. Notion AI will quickly generate an answer or explanation based on your input. After a brief moment, you'll see the AI's output appear. Notion will offer you the option to keep the response. If you're happy with the AI-generated content, just click Keep to insert it directly into your Notion page. This instantly adds the information in the spot you chose earlier, making it easy to reference later or to build on as you organize or expand your notes. Notion AI is a fantastic feature for summarizing notes, creating clear explanations, and drafting study materials right where you need them. With only a few simple steps, you can turn a blank page into a valuable resource tailored specifically to your learning needs. So next time you're feeling stuck or need a topic broken down, give Notion AI a try and watch how it transforms your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy studying!